Hi, second graders. Happy Thursday. I am so happy to see you again. We are coming to the end of our month of May, which is our last number corner month. Sad. But I'm so excited that I'm able to do it with you guys. So we're gonna get started because we have a couple things to do today before you are going to take your first day of your number corner checkpoint. It's our last checkpoint for number corner, so I really want to give you a chance to really show your teachers what you know. But before we can do that, we have to check in on our calendar picture because we need to see what our picture is going to be for this month. So we're going to do Wednesday and Thursday. And then tomorrow on Friday, I'm going to actually do the next 4 days. Quick, so we could see what our final picture is, which I'm so excited about. So Wednesday, we're going to take a look at yesterday, which was Wednesday. Wednesday was May 26th, 2021. And our fun fact animal, we were talking about emus, remember, is that baby emu are called chicks. They have brown and white stripes. So this would be like what a baby emu would look like. It's so cute with its stripes. I love the stripes. We're going to move this to the side. Oh, wow. Our Joey is bouncing around. So we have 4 arrows going up. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arrows to the left. So each arrow is 100, right? So we subtract 100, 200, 300, 400. And then each arrow to the left or right is 10. So we're taking away 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 460. So boys and girls, we left off at 800. So I kind of already wrote some of our information in. So it was Wednesday, May 26th. We left off at 800. I'm going to type in our equation because we just talked about it. We're starting at 800 and we're subtracting 800 minus 400, right? We're going up 4 arrows and then we're going to the left 6, so 460. So let's jump now, boys and girls, to our page. So if you have your page that you've been coloring, grab out your number corner book. And we are going to go to 800. Oh, let's take a look at what we're going to be coloring. We're coloring a full red. Okay, full red. So we need to go minus 400, 100, 200, 300, 400, and then we're going to the left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 340 is our number for Wednesday. I'm going to grab out my red, and I'm going to color in 340. Perfect. We're going to go back here. We're going to type in maybe, there we go, 340. And that's where we're going to start for today for Thursday. But Miss Dunning also needs to draw in her arrows. So I'm going to try to be as detailed as possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, can I fit 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew! That Joey was a busy bee hopping around on Wednesday, wasn't he? Awesome job, boys and girls. So we did the 26th. So now we're going to go down to the 27th, which is this one. And now we are on today's date, which is Thursday, May 27th, 2021. So our fun fact for today, you get 2 fun facts on Thursdays, is that emu eggs are dark green and about the size of an avocado. So how many of you have had an avocado? Miss Dunning loves avocados. So it's kind of about this size, and it's kind of that dark green outline, which is kind of cool. So that's interesting. It's different than like a chicken egg, which has like a white outside. This one is dark green. Oh my goodness, our Joey was busy hopping around today too. So let's take a look. We have 3 arrows going down, which tells us we're adding. So we're adding 100, 200, 300. And then we're going to the right. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the right, which is if we're doing groups of 10, it's 5 tens or 50. Yes, so we are adding 350. So let's go here. Let's stop drawing. So 5 today is 5/27, May 27th. We left off at 340 from Wednesday. We're going to slide over and do 340. And we're adding, right, because we went down and to the right. So we're adding 3 arrows, 350. Let's find out, boys and girls, where we're going to head. So we left off on 340. We're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 690. Let's take a look. Yes, I kind of thought so. We are only coloring in half of our square, the top half, triangle, right here, green. So we're going to go back here, 690. I'm going to grab my highlighter, grab my green, and I'm coloring the top half. Boys and girls, I have no idea what this animal is. I am so excited, though, to figure out what it is with you guys. So we only have, let's take a look at a calendar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 more squares that we're going to fill in. So we're really close to figuring out what our picture is. So I'm excited that tomorrow we're actually going to look at it so that on, since we don't have school on Monday, and then we start June, that's what we're going to do, okay? So now, boys and girls, instead of having activities, you are going to do the number corner checkup. So in your seesaw activities, you will see your teacher has assigned for you the number corner assessment. You're going to complete the pages up until there's a big page that says, stop! Save this as a draft. You're going to keep working on it tomorrow. So you are only going to do half of the assessment today, and then the other half will be done on Friday. I wish you the best of luck, boys and girls. I know you're going to be awesome rock stars at it. So you want to color in your 690 and your 340 for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a really awesome night. Bye.